Look at that. It's a negative 20 out today, and I'm going to be doing shocks.
Well. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I'm a mobile mechanic.
Yeah, bro, that's sick. You don't have a wheel bearing press, right?
No, I don't. I do the entire hub. Have a good one. Well, that was not the interaction I was expecting with public security. Alright, even after torching this thing, I can't get it off. I'm gonna cut them off and get some new ones. Well, I didn't even need to cut it. Just came right out. I guess these did need to be replaced. Cheers. That bolt that I'm trying to use over there is stripped out, and I just happen to have another 2 strut bolts. This one is restored. This one obviously isn't, but the threads are actually good on these. Oh wow, it's burnt. One rusty oil pan. Huh. Look at that.
That's ridiculous.
So the actual gasket here is completely dry, so we're gonna make sure to lubricate this one so it doesn't get stuck like that. This tight, that's it. So it's been about 6 hours and it's finally done. This car really fought me on every single turn, but it's done.